First off, just want to thank everybody who participated in the Dream Build Off and all of the builders who actually brought the heat and built motorcycles. It's been a long 6 months, I think, for everybody. Without further ado, third place in the 750cc and under category is Berg & Co. I like this bike because it's something I've always wanted to build. I've actually sketched up a couple of these little rigid moto bikes. We're a fan. Congratulations to third place. Our second place winner, Anton Bogart. Anton built this crazy YZ250 road racer. This was one of my favorite bikes of the competition because it's so cool, technical. This thing is a bike that I want to ride. It's a bike that I would like to actually have in my garage. Your winner and your winner of a Royal Enfield Meteor is Wilco Linder. RD350, this is a two-stroke kicker. This thing is just mean. Dragster chopper, I don't even know exactly what to call this thing, but it's a pretty unique work of art. But congratulations to Wilco. Now we're gonna move on to the 750cc to 1199cc category, and we're gonna get right into it with our third place finisher, Steel City Blacksmithing. And Steel City Blacksmithing built a cool little Sportster chopper. Tremendous amount of work went into this bike. Congratulations, Steel City Chopper, on taking third place. Next up, second place is Cam Stone. We got another chopper. Lots of choppers in this middle category. This thing is correct. Congratulations, Cam Stone. So now to the winner of the 750 to 1199cc category. This person is going to be taking home an Indian Scout Bobber, a brand new 2022 Indian Scout Bobber, and his name is Mitch Witkamp. He has really converted me from someone who did not like LEDs on a two-wheeled vehicle to being a fan of LEDs. But Mitch, congratulations, you did a stellar job on this build, and excited to send you a new Indian Scout Bobber for third place in the hashtag Dream Build Off 1200cc and up, Zoo Hall Fast Customs. This is a crazy bike. Definitely a wild bike. Second place is Bulletproof Welder. The amount of attention and detail Bulletproof Welder has spent on this bike is insane. So last prize of the day, he is taking home a brand new BMW R18, and the winner is Colt Wrangler. It's very hand-built. A tremendous amount of fabrication went into the build. For the Dream Build Off, really a lot of it is about effort, energy, and garage fabrication skills, and that was why Colt's bike was chosen. We are putting this one in the books. Over and out, hashtag Dream Build Off. Thank you guys.